Hello and welcome to
Butler.Head.Quarters.
and today we are going to do a bit of what should be routine maintenance, and that is change
The petrol,
the
diesel filter.
Yeah, so it looks a bit groggy, so if in doubt change. We've purchased
A new one from ECP.
ECP, yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So will it fit?
yes. Will it be the right one? Will it even be a new one? And it is. It is indeed.
And we've doing this because we've fitted the air filter, we've done an EGR leak, and we still don't think it's 100%, do we?
No.
It still feels lacklustre. So we're going to change this, hoping there is a bit of blockage in the fuel system, and that's causing our problem. In my last episode, you just saw us do some stuff to the interior, so if you haven't watched that, after this, switch back and watch that.
Yeah.
So let's fill this filter.
That's it, yeah.
Let's fill the filter.
Let's film the filter, yeah. So first, you've got a clip here and a clip there, and we'll just press them in and pull, and in normal fashion, they should come out.
Is it? Tight.
A bit stiff, eh? You'll find that they've been done for a bit, plus they have to be sort of tight.
It's just a pipe that comes out from a little bracket, ain't it, I think?
Yeah, I think just like a sleeve out.
Mm-hmm.
Did I take it off last time, did we? No, we don't, just pressed them in, don't we?
Well, we took that side off. That one side's been off before.
Yeah.
But did we take that side off? Did we do the back first?
I think we did, yeah.
Yeah, just a bit. We have sort of gone to this before, and we brought, well, ECP, so they give us the wrong part. That's one gone.
So now onto the back one. And
Gone.
it is. Now, now they are tight to release, so bear that in mind. So with these removed, we then remove the sensor here, which is a simple press, and well, this simple press is removed. That's it. Now, there is a vacuum pipe missing from here.
Come on.
Just there.
That's the one to the EGR, yeah?
Yeah.
It's extra long. There's one more goes under here. That one. That goes to the...
Yeah.
Should I put that on?
Come on then, yeah.
You think it'll do any harm?
Well, yeah.
You think it'll do any...
Well, no. Because
It's got oil.
that is the only spare
Back
hose,
pipe.
isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Fucking strange, eh?
So, for
This is
anyone...
blew off or whatever.
Whatever's just happened is, as Dad's been taking the connector out for the fuel pump, he's now this centre here should have a vacuum line, and there's a place for a vacuum line to go, and it's wore there. And we've just had a poke round, and sort of halfway down was an oily back line.
Pipe. Yeah, that pipe. So yeah, so that will be interesting to see what effect that has on it.
And if you watch till the end, we'll take it for a test drive, so you can be with us to see what that does. Strange, eh?
You then want to disconnect this.
And we've just looked at it and thought, well, if we undo them two,
Yeah.
taking the commodity,
No,
so
and we'll
that's going to have to come
off again for the time being. And so then it's located by two 13mm.
So
bolts.
do you think last time the fuel filter was changed,
Yeah.
somebody forgot to put that pipe back on?
Well, it's that, or it's
Been taken off.
yeah, or yeah, but fucking worried about it.
I'm not too sure what it fucking does, if I'm honest.
But, yeah, it's a weird one.
Watch, that's going to come off, eh? Then you take that bolt,
Yeah.
so I'll just hold it, eh?
Yeah.
I'm just going to put that here.
Back in.
So I don't want to be...
No, we don't want to.
Sorry, pal. So yeah, that's what was off.
Yeah.
What's that?
And there we have it. It is now removed and ready for the canister, but we're going to empty the diesel out.
So, as you'd guess, people, we ain't got a
Well,
proper BMW to hook to.
well,
Or
we have got some brake plate things, but I'm sure they are. And this is your get out of jail.
I think, well, we've just showed people, yeah.
Yeah,
We can do this, yeah.
yeah.
We're at the proper tool.
That's it, yeah, really, yeah.
And now Dad's lubing up the ring.
The ring, as you do, you always lube it up, be it an oil filter or a fuel filter. And with mouse guides, the reversal is what you do. So we're gonna basically put it into place. Two 13mm nuts.
And again, the light is slowly fading on Butler.Head.Quarters. This is another after work production
Experience, yeah. That is that.
There's a lever clicks back into that's the lever, that's it.
That's one for that one. So that's Russell's on.
Now this is the hard part. Get them
Yeah, I mean, so we'll go for the easy one first, which is, well, say the easy one.
you can get more force on the front.
Yeah, you can. And again, they will be tight because it's got to be tight because it's
A seal.
the seal.
We did start doing this job. Was it about 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, and we really like
It was a rubber
it's,
filter.
the wrong filter. That is in.
Is it in?
It is
Is it
in.
clicked?
Yeah. It has clicked, it is up. Yeah, it is in. Yeah, it has come up, hasn't it? So it is in.
We've got a back one too, I hope.
We're back one. That one's going straight in.
Is it?
Yeah. And there you have it.
Now check all the seals.
And to be truthful, it looks like jobs are good at them. We'll leave it.
Just changed the diesel filter.
And reconnected a hose which was not fitted to
Before.
the sensor. So we shall see what difference
It makes.
it makes, or does it make? Is the case? Maybe. And yeah, it does. That definitely does feel more responsive
Yeah.
than before.
It feels now like it wants to be
Pushed on,
working.
like, yeah.
It wants to be working, I think.
Definitely feels different. And also, folks, I've spotted a 325 turbo. reconditioned jobby, which we might be purchasing soon.
To fit onto this.
Well, yeah, to fit onto this.
Let us know your thoughts on that.
She just feel, yeah,
A lot better.
more peppy, doesn't she?
Yeah.
A lot more peppy. So I think it's time to say now, isn't it?
Thanks for watching.
If you like, tick the like button.
Go on, carry on, but you've got this now.
And if you've got any views, please comment below.
Until next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.